Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Mercedes GLC that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash cam solution that also records while the vehicle's parked. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So today's video is all about adding in a dash cam into a Mercedes GLC. If you own one of these vehicles or you own a different vehicle and looking for a dash cam solution, this is a really nice solution for you guys. So what we've added in is something called a Thinkware Q800 Pro front and rear dash cam. Basically, it's a 2K image quality dash cam from the front view, plus you've actually got the actual rear dash cam, which is a physical cable run all the way to the back of the vehicle. System, the way it works is basically as you drive along the vehicle, about half an hour's worth of driving equates to about 16 hours of parking mode. The parking mode facility is added in by adding something called a Thinkware iVolt battery. Basically, that's hidden away on this car on the rear quarter, but they get hidden away somewhere in the vehicle, and depending on spec and stuff, we'll hide that in a certain locations. However, you don't need to see it, but in essence, half an hour of driving or so will equate to about 16 hours of recording of parking mode. So really nice solution for that. In terms of what we've actually done in terms of the installation, everything's hardwired into the vehicle, everything's installed to the highest possible standards. We've run side manufacturer wiring as far as possible, but there is a physical cable run all the way from the front of the camera all the way to the back. So overall, really nice that we've added this in. Customer has now got full parking mode facility, protecting the vehicle while parked when they're away from the vehicle, but also now got the facility to actually use it while driving as well, protecting them while they're on the road. In terms of solution, you've got an SD card that you've got actually inserted into the dash camera itself. However, it's all controlled via an application. Done a full separate video on the app, how that actually works. So make sure you go check that out, but also hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our future videos of other stuff that we can add to your vehicle. But overall, really happy with the install. We've just done my quality checks around the vehicle to make sure everything is exactly how it should be, and the customer will be collecting the vehicle very soon. So thank you very much for watching our video. We look forward to seeing you soon.